Back with another case video for the 14 Pro Max, and this is a case drop from the guys at Pitaka, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Here we are with the MagEZ 3 for the 14 Pro Max, so let's check it out. If you're not aware, I love Pitaka products and I'm a big mark for aramid fibre. I love it, I really do. It's so good. So good. So let's check these out. So Pitaka have sent me the 600D aramid fibre and the 1500D aramid fibre. So they're two pretty distinct finishes of aramid fibre. So let's check them out. And big shout to Pitaka for their new packaging. It's completely biodegradable material and yeah, top notch. It's really good. Go. So there's the 600D. We have a wee thank you card, and we have little spacers just in case there's any imperfections or bends or anything like that there. That's a pretty good touch, because things happen when you're mass producing. So, and that's the 1500D aramid fibre. So I'll be honest, the 1500D is always the ones that I would have got, and it's the finish that I quite like. But the 600 is a bit different. Not bad. So first off, let's weigh them. $21 grams for the 600D. Really lightweight. 23 grams for the 1500. There you go. It's 2 grams heavier. So these cases are designed to be lightweight and ultra minimalistic. So to get you that sort of thin feeling and minimalistic, that you haven't got a big, thick, bulky case on your phone. So that's what these are for. They don't offer a lot of protection, but again, that's not what they're for. So that's the 600D, and yeah, it's good solid fit. I don't need to put any of those little pads in or anything like that there. You don't get much of a lip up over the display. So you don't, unfortunately, but you do get a pretty decent camera bump. The lenses don't protrude out of it, so again, if you're setting it down flat, it's not going to touch those lenses, so you're going to be okay. Screen, not so much. There's the slightest, tiniest little lip. It's not going to offer you a massive amount of protection there, but again, but it's lightweight. It makes the phone feel absolutely awesome, if I'm being honest. And you know, if you're into that lightweight, minimalistic, it's hard to go wrong with a Pitaka. It really is. Smooth aramid fibre. It's really nice. But no buttons on this case because the buttons are exposed, and so you've just got your natural bare metal buttons there. The bottom of the phone is exposed, as is the top as well. So you do need to be wary. If you do drop it and it lands down, you're probably going to scuff up your phone. So there we go. So that's the 600D, and there's the 15, and again, fantastic fit there with the 1500D. And there you go. There's the finish on the back. Same camera bump. You've still got that real good camera bump. The camera lenses don't protrude out through the top, and again, you've got the same minimalistic lip there. So you've got a wee bit of a lip up over the corners, and that's really about it. I like that. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite? Do you like the 600 or the 1500? I don't know. I quite like both, actually, to be honest. So onto the Magsafe test. Here we go. Trusty stand. So as you know, in previous videos, my Magsafe stand test consists of me putting the phone onto this stand, lift the stand with the phone without the stand falling off, and able for the phone to be held without falling off. So let's check it out. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I will notice the magnets aren't as good on the Pitaka cases this year than they were on the 13 Pro Max. The 13 Pro Max magnets were absolutely phenomenal last year. I made jokes all over the place that people were out towing their cars with their Pitaka cases because the magnets were just next level. So you do notice the difference in it, but you've still got a good strong connection there. It's just not sort of, maybe with the Pitaka, I know I did find last year, let me know you guys if you've had the same problem, but there was many a phone charger I had last year where I would go to pick it up and I would take the stand with me because the magnets on the Pitaka case were so strong. So maybe they've just dialed it down a little bit. I don't know, but there is definitely a difference there from last year. But still strong, still decent. Can't fault that at all. Just for consistency, we'll do a MagSafe test on the 600 then as well. Test, lift the stand. Stand is holding, decent. Hold the stand, shake the phone. Yep, that's pretty good. Can't fault that at all. You can maybe say Pitaka just maybe got the magnets right. Maybe they're not too strong, they're not too weak. Maybe they're just right. Don't know. What do you guys think? Have you got these cases? If you have, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of the magnets compared to last year? So yeah, no, that's great. I do love these cases. I do. Now, I will be honest. I would be a little bit cautious out and about with the sides and whatnot exposed on the phone. I'm not gonna lie, but look at it. It just looks so good. Price for these cases is right here. And also I will leave an affiliate link in the description down below if you're interested in picking one of these cases up. Affiliate links don't cost you guys any more, but they help support the channel. So if you do pick up a case using an affiliate link, thanks very much for your support. That about wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And I have more case videos on the way for the 14 Pro Max, so stay locked to the channel, guys, because they're going to come thick and fast. So hopefully I will have something for everybody. So there's been some great brands have sent me stuff for review, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stay locked to the channel for that. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.